Hey everyone, welcome back to our robotics series. We're thrilled to have you here for another exciting episode. Let's dive into today's video. Gearing up robotics, exploring the mechanical wonders. Exploring gears. Gears are fundamental components in the field of robotics. Gears plays a crucial role in the movement, control, and efficiency of robotic systems. These mechanical elements, with their interlocking teeth, are used to transmit torque and rotational motion between different parts of a machine. Role of gears. Motion control. Gears enable precise control over the movement of robotic parts. They help in adjusting the speed and torque, making it possible to perform delicate and complex tasks with high accuracy. Torque transmission. By modifying torque, gears allow robots to lift heavier loads than would be possible with direct motor power alone. This is particularly important in industrial robots. Direction change. Gears can change the direction of movement, which is essential for the versatility of robots. This capability allows for complex movements and positioning. Efficiency. Using gears, robots can operate more efficiently. By optimizing the power transmission from motors to various parts of the robot, gears reduce the load on motors, extending their lifespan and reducing energy consumption. Gear train. Two or more gears working together to transmit torque and rotational motion between mechanical components. Types of gear. Spur gears, straight-toothed gears used for parallel shafts, known for simplicity and efficiency. Bevel gears, conical gears that transfer motion between intersecting shafts, typically at right angles. Worm gears, consisting of a worm and worm wheel, they provide high reduction ratios and transfer motion at right angles. Helical gears, angled teeth for smoother and quieter operation, used for parallel or non-parallel shafts. Planetary gears, complex systems with a central sun gear, planet gears, and a ring gear, used for high torque applications. Rack and pinion gear. A rack and pinion gear are utilized to convert rotating movement into linear motion. Future trends in gears. Embedded sensors. Gears with sensors can monitor performance in real time, enabling predictive maintenance. IoT connectivity. Remote monitoring and control through IoT optimize the operation of complex machinery. Micro and nano gears. Development of micro and nano gears is crucial for medical devices and advanced robotics. Gears are the backbone of robotic systems, enabling precise and efficient movement. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so stay tuned and stay connected. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and being part of our community. Visit us at sarasrobotics.com.